Alright, so this is part 2 of the video. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna be putting this, like, just finishing putting it back together. Okay. So, what we were doing in the last video is, putting it back together, but better. Yeah, so we're gonna need this screw, we're gonna put this on here. We were just putting this back in, we had put the full motherboard in, we hadn't put the screws in yet, though. And we're just gonna have to put this in like that. Perfect. Yes. Yes. Love it. Oh, it's so sexy. Yes. Oh, 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 yes. Okay. Perfect. Now what we're doing is we are gonna something. Yes, that's a good idea. So I think I can just go in there. I can put it like that. There we go. But now what we're gonna be doing is we're just gonna finish up on this side kind of, and then we're gonna do the screws. Then we're gonna plug this all in. Actually, it would probably make sense to just put this in for not like right now, but like before we screw all these in. Okay, I think the screws are gonna be the last part. So now what we need to do is plug the camera in. I think that's what we should do right now. I'm just doing that to get rid of all the dust that's in there because that's kind of disgusting. Anyway, yep, there we go. Wait, actually, I think it's supposed to go in like this. I touched the camera. It's not supposed to do that. Okay, there we go. That, and plug it in. Sorry, yeah, I know you can't really see that, but what I'm doing is just, God, I look orange in this light. Look at fucking Donald Trump 2.0 over here. Fucking hell. God damn, I look orange. Okay. Where the hell does this go? Why don't we just put it like that and be done with it? Yeah, that's a good idea. Okay, now what we have to do is screw all of this in, because I believe that's all in properly where it should be. This, I don't really know what to do with it, and I'm not going to do anything with it because I don't really know how to put it in properly, and I don't want to break anything. So yes, so now we're gonna just screw some things in, and yeah, alright, we're gonna start with these bigger screws. They're so fucking tiny, but we're gonna start with those. Okay, so now we need this. Now, oh, that could have been bad. That easily could have been bad. Now, I cannot be doing that. I cannot ever be doing that. Okay, now. Stop it, you piece of now. To there. Okay. Anyway, could you go in the fucking hole, you piece of I want to hit something really badly. I want anyway, I just, yes. It's just so tiny that I can barely see what I'm doing, and the slightest mishap can cause it all to go to absolute hell. Okay, you know what? Never mind. You don't get a screw. You don't get a screw. No. That. You're done. You don't get one. Nope. Nope, 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 nope. I have better things to do than that. So, now, what I am going to do is I'm going to plug this in. That was like 20 minutes of me just trying to put that in place. And even at the end, it didn't go. So, you know what? That. Anyway, now what we are going to do is we are going to, actually we're going to screw this back in place. So we're going to flip the phone around. Yeah, we're going to work on this side for a little bit. Maybe it'll be less angry. Okay, so this side had, yeah, these medium-sized screws. In the bottom, could you not do that, please? I don't need exploding screws erupting from my work site. If you please, thank you. I have now decided that I'm never gonna take this phone apart again. That will not be happening. Oh, it's like this. I'm stupid. It's like that. Okay. Just cut all that out. Cut all that out. Just pretend that did not happen. Okay, great. Okay, so I already know where all that goes because I'm a genius and it did not take me an hour to figure out. This goes over here because I'm a genius and that also didn't take me an hour to figure out. Yeah, okay. So now all of those things are plugged in and we can start screwing this stuff in. Okay, so we need these really small screws. This one goes in right here. Wait, sorry, 1 second. Okay, yeah, so this one goes in right here. Okay, so anyway, yes, so working hard, figuring this out. It's all and I hate it. Yeah, that's the entire story. Okay, but what in Okay, so this needs to go in here. Perfect, okay, and then, just gonna screw that one a bit more. Okay, you know what? That, alright? You know what? I'm just gonna put this on pause for a little bit. I've been recording for an hour and a half, so I'm getting kind of tired. I'm just gonna kind of leave this here for a bit, and then I will finish this phone in the morning or later or at some point. Yeah, so like, subscribe, all that fun. To see the third iteration of this video because I'm too fucking lazy to do it right now. Alright, see you later, and bye-bye.